Hi there, this is Christy, and I have been really busy with a new grandbaby and working on opening a new Etsy shop. And I thought in this video I would show you a new Etsy feature that I think is super cool. That is really awesome. So if you go into your dashboard of your shop and you look right here, you're going to see notifications. And I think it said I had like 45 because I have been at the hospital with my new grandbaby. But right here, this is awesome. It's showing you how Etsy is marketing on your behalf. It's saying that this shop that I favorited has new items in their shop. New items, new items. But there's also some really interesting other notifications. So as I scroll down and look at my favorite shops, you can tell that it really is a great idea to continually, as much as you can, even if it's just one a night, if you can squeeze in one a night, to add new items into your shop, because anyone that's favorited any of your listings or your shop itself, Etsy is going to send them a notification, just like Pinterest, just like Facebook. So that's an awesome new feature that they have just begun. See, new shops, but I wanted to scroll down. See, look at this. An item you favorited is now on sale. So they're going to notify anyone who has come to your shop and really likes something enough to favorite and put a little heart beside it. So that is awesome. And look at this. Here's another thing. An item you favored, well, it's the same thing. An item you favored is on sale. And you can see as it goes on down, now on sale. There's a new item, an item you favorited. And why is this important? Because it brings people back to your shop, okay? So if I click, let me go down. I'm just going to keep looking. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to click on that, and it takes me to this graphic that I favorited because I have this on a t-shirt in my shop. And see, that is how this is going to work for you on your behalf. Etsy is notifying everybody who ever favorited an item or a shop, like, look, you need to go back. I mean, that is super cool, and that is free advertisement. Okay, let's look at this one new design. These are shops that I favorited because they have graphic designs that I looked at. Some of them I bought to put on print-on-demand t-shirts and pillowcases and baby onesies. I mean, look how cute that is. But again, you have to be sure, unless you know how to convert it, you have to be sure it's a PNG with a transparent background. Okay? So let's look at this one, for example, Mardi Gras SVG. You look for the PNG right there. There's the PNG. You go down and you make sure that the PNG has a transparent background, which it does. And then the other thing you want to check and see is their terms of use. If they say you cannot upload images to print-on-demand sites, if they don't list Printful, a lot of times if I just love the design, what I'll do is I'll go in right here and ask a question, and I'll say, am I allowed to upload your PNG to Printful and list the item on my Etsy shop? And some of them say yes, and some of them say no, and then I just send it right there. Okay? I mean, so that's as easy as it gets, really. That's what I do. I do it all day long, and then eventually, most of the time, they will answer you, sometimes quickly, sometimes, it takes them a day or two to answer me. But then, if I really like that, I will favorite it, which means that Etsy knows that I really like this item in this shop. So the next thing I know, next time they do an update on their shop, I'll get notified. Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. I mean, that is something new inside of Etsy that I've just begun to see like within the last week, and I think it's really, really going to help sales. And I also love how once you click on, see, these are cute, really cute items right here, aren't they? Graphics. A lot of times they'll say, if I look, so say for example, I went in and I put in Mardi Gras PNG. They show you a list. Again, what I look for are the ones who've made a lot of sales, and then I look to see the reviews to see if people are buying it. I mean, that is super cute. And you know, Mardi Gras is you know, it's a different date every year. Let me just look and see. Mardi Gras 2019 is March 5th. So what you want to do is you want to get in front of the season. And you know, you want to have this up long before Mardi Gras hits. So you could do one now and just, you know, I think of it as little seeds for the future. And so I have like Irish, you know, for St. Patty's Day. When you think about all the holidays there are every year, there's so many, I mean, it's just endless. It's absolutely unlimited and endless what you can put on your shop. I mean, look at that cute little shirt right there. You could do a shirt like this. You can buy their design. I'm just going to favorite that. And again, what you want to do is you want to see if it says PNG transparent background. There's PNG. And sometimes they don't say it has transparent background, and I bought them before and they didn't. So I always ask. They don't have any, let's see, it says you may use this file to create cut items for personal use and gifts. So again, they're saying their files are their copyrighted personal property. So I would again just ask a question, and I would ask them, do your PNGs have transparent backgrounds, number one, and number two, you know, can I use your PNG to upload to Printful and put on my Etsy shop? And they will say yes, and they will say no. The ones that want to make more sales say yes, please do it. And the ones that don't, you know, I just unfavorite them and move on, because there's enough, you know, graphics out there that you don't have any lack of items to create in Printful. And again, I use Printful for my clothing because I had an order a couple days ago, and the shirt was actually shipped. It was ordered on a Wednesday, it shipped on a Friday. So I'm really, really impressed with Printful's quick turnaround. And if there's any problem, it's super easy to get in touch with them and say somebody, you know, somebody's item didn't arrive or it was defective. And the other thing I love about Printful is you can, you know, you can put it on your shop and integrate it with your shop and sync it so that when somebody orders it, it just automatically is fulfilled. I don't have to go in there. With Gear Bubble, because I didn't buy their extra package that's integrated with Etsy, it doesn't cost me anything to use Printful, as far as I don't have to pay a monthly fee, and they fulfill the item like lickety split for me. So I really, really like that about Printful. So I just wanted to tell you and, you know, show you what I do every time I'm going to make a design. Is I go in and I look. So, and another thing I want you to see is you want to search and see how many people are looking for a Mardi Gras t-shirt. Even though, as I'm making this video, it's the end of July, people are still looking for a Mardi Gras t-shirt 9,900 times a month. That is crazy, right? And this is from Google. These are Google stats. And if you had to pay for ads for a Mardi Gras t-shirt, you would pay 42 cents a click. This is cost per click. competition is low. So that's a really, really good niche to go into right there. Let's take a look and see if anybody's making sales. Now this shop, oops, didn't mean to do that, excuse me. This shop right here has made a lot of sales. Let's see if I can go down. It's that, make sure I'm on t-shirts. Okay, we don't want to be on t-shirts. Here we go. All right, so we're down here. And I'm looking, and again, I would not do anything trademarked. No, no, no. Do not do trademarks. Okay, so here's one. 717 reviews, which means they have made a lot of sales. That's how many reviews they have. So if I click on the store name, 4,766 sales since 2014. That's their total sales. Okay, and then if you look down at their reviews, sometimes if you click if this is clickable, it'll show you exactly what's sold, but you can still tell by the reviews. So let's click on the stars and see what is selling. Okay, so the reviews right here, the latest one. Okay, this was 2 days ago. So this shop is making sales. Girls Rhinestone T-shirt soccer. T-shirt pink birthday queen with a heel. Rhinestone transfer. Let's see if anybody's buying Mardi Gras. And again, it's not Mardi Gras season, so we might have to look back in Mardi Gras season, which would be like January, February, March. So let's see. Rhinestone transfer. These are his good sellers here. Rhinestone. Boy, these are really selling. These are so cute. Look at that owl, Pegasus. And see, these are like sub-niches. So you have someone who likes rhinestones and Pegasus. Someone who likes rhinestones and vacation scenes. Someone who likes rhinestones and owls. Fleur de lis, dripping in silver. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. Color for women of faith. So he's taken this same kind of design, and again, he's using black t-shirts because we women like black because it's slimming, so those really sell well. So he's got black t-shirts, and he is selling black short sleeve t-shirts with rhinestones with different themes. So this is how you can really discover, you know, hidden niches that, I mean, you just wouldn't think. Rhinestone umbrella, rhinestone red lips, rhinestone t-shirt football mom. Again, I would not do trademark names. Autism super heart. So he sort of branded his store with black rhinestone t-shirts with all different kinds of themes. Cocopelli. Not sure what Cocopelli is. Rhinestone t-shirt Christmas joy. So, I mean, he's got all kinds of themes going on here. Walking in faith. Super teacher. Water polo mom. Now, see, that's one I would never have thought of. Okay, let's keep looking. Baseball. Rhinestone baseball. Crystal skull. I mean, so he has got so many different niches in here. Cheer mom. Crystal rock star. Halloween. Custom order. Easter. Bling. Girls Gone Wine. Faith cross. Blue color. Color guard. See, so he is covering the niches. I'm saying he, it might be she. I see somebody's already answered me back about the P&G, so I'm going to look at that in just a second. And see, look at this. They're doing holidays, St. Patrick's Day clover, folklore, that I'm not sure what that is. Faith, walk in faith, Easter. So those are all around Easter time. Let's cheer, sister, Mardi Gras. Okay, here's some Mardi Gras ones. Okay, so in March, Mardi Gras, rainbow, cat, I love softball. Softball